everyone. So this is one head of cabbage I chopped up last night with 2 celery sticks. I chopped it up, I cleaned it, and then I put it in water last night. So right now I'm gonna juice it here. So now I juiced 1 cup. So this is like half a cabbage with 2 celery sticks. So I'm just gonna pour it in here. Not 1 cup, this is like 2 cups, 16 ounces. Oh wow. I'm just gonna go like this. I should have did it like this. I don't really like the froth, so dump it. So right now it's 2 o'clock. I haven't eaten anything. I have not drank anything. So I'm gonna shake it, right? And it's cold because I had the cabbage in the fridge. I'm gonna shake it. I'm gonna drink this one now, which is 2 cups. I seen on the YouTube, one of the YouTube videos, they said drink 1 liter, which is basically 2 of these a day. So right now I'm gonna drink this one now, and then tonight I'm gonna drink this one. So okay guys, so here's the second 16 ounces. I'm not sure if this makes a difference, but yesterday when I did the cabbage juice, I washed the cabbage, but I did not soak it, like leave it in water overnight. So when I did the juicing, I got exactly 1 liter. Now this time I left the cabbage in the water overnight in the fridge, and look, I still got some cabbage. Oops, I still got some cabbage left. So I'm not sure if I guess the cabbage soaked up some of the water, and I'm not sure if it's, you know, if that's gonna make a difference. I hope not. But I'm gonna dump that. And with this one, I added 2 celery sticks as well. The taste is not that bad. It's not great. It's a doable taste. Okay. So this one is gonna be for later. And this one is for now. So remember, like I said, I didn't eat or drink anything today. So I'm just gonna I just take the froth out from the top. What I do is I'll drink it. I'll hold my breath a little bit until I can't hold my breath anymore, and then I'll exhale my breath, and then whoo, I come up for air, and then I have half. Just take big gulps. There you have it. 16 ounces of cabbage juice with 2 celery sticks, and you have two of those a day. I hope this video helped someone out there.